I see your arms holding on to damn bars, and your rags on the floor, skin grimy, body's never been so clean, so clean. Steady eyes just inquire my pride. Got no eyes, never lies, indication I could let her free, her free. Baby, could we go wild like we never been yet? Could we go wild cause we never been there? You could have all that I never would share, share, share. Oh no, 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 no. So won't you love me? Don't hurt me instead. I'm selfish, you know I am. So don't move on to another land. I will take a sip from yours, and I just scary thoughts. It's hard to turn you down. It's like you're there and now, but you I will make some room and turn down all these pigeons. All I want is you all around like you vision. All I wanna do is take you off in the cage and lock myself in the prison. All advice been a listen. So won't you love me? Don't hurt me instead. I'm selfish, you know I am. So don't move on to another land. Oh no, 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 no. Won't you love me the way you used to do? Don't hurt instead. I'm selfish, you know I am. So don't move on to another land. No, 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 no. Won't you love me in the way you used to do? Don't hurt me instead. No, although you want it, I shouldn't die between your legs, and never die between your legs. Hey, but you're all in my eyes. You're all in my eyes. I'm going back to Peach Chapter, 'cause bite from Peach Apple took my life.